Hello everyone, this is G36 speedloader of slow type. Holds up to 15 rounds. I would make this up to 30 rounds, but it would take a lot of plastic to print it and it would not be so compact. Besides that, if 30 rounds are loaded, then the last ones are standing almost like this. And what happens when you load, it is easy to jam. You say why I did not made this in banana shape. I made it, but these empty rounds are grinding against this side and will destroy the tray. So this tray works only with live rounds. I made several prototypes testing capabilities, but came to conclusion that this is the most optimal one. So 15 rounds, no tilting, no problem. Additional tray where can be inserted no less than 60 rounds waiting in a row to be loaded. Now I will load. I hold one hand on magazine usually, or here is a hole and place where to put your finger. So one quick move and it is loaded.